हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो गाइस, कैसे हो आप सभी? आई होप यू ऑल आर गुड। सो टुडेज आर्टवर्क इज़ अ यूनिक फ्यूजन anime and mandala art. This combination is a creative experiment that blends the intricate patterns of mandala with the bold lines of anime. So let's begin. I will highlight the mandala patterns using black and grey tones so that both elements stand out uniquely. These patterns are so beginner friendly, so you can try it once and enjoy the mandala patterns at your own. Have you ever seen anime? I have not seen, but this is very unique character and interesting character, which is Goku. So let me know in comments, have you ever tried to make Naruto or Goku anime? I have sketched the rough outline of the anime character. This is a very important step because the proportions and details need to be perfect. Now I am outlining the sketch with fine liners to make the lines crisp and defined. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Outline is going to complete now, so then we will fill the colors inside the picture. Now let's add colors to the character. I am using vibrant shades to maintain the original anime essence. The orange and blue combination gives it a classic anime style. Which is your favorite anime character? Just let me know in comments. I am using brush pens of Camlin brand. It looks vibrant and beautiful. Its consistency is too good, so you can try instead of sketch pens. Its appearance is like watercolors, so they bring an effective look to the artwork. It's the pastel brush pen of Dom's company. It is also too good. You can also try these shades as well. Just a few final details and shading and our artwork will be complete. This fusion is very special because it is a perfect blend of the modern anime world and traditional mandala art. How do you like it? Let me know in the comments. I hope you liked the artwork. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay tuned. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching the video.